Hello friends, welcome back to another session of my financial predictions. Today is the 19th of June. For some reason, today is not a market day. I completely ignore. I don't really even know about this. So if you have any clue about this, maybe why this is not a market day, just tell in the comments because I was expecting a correction. Yesterday, the 18th, I was expecting a correction, actually. What we got for Tesla, at the very least, we got a powerful pump, not so volatile, but at the highest position, we got 3%, slightly above 3%, so that's quite decent, I believe. And Tesla is doing very good, actually. This is obviously a bad week for Tesla compared to the previous one, because we see currently we are downtrending right now compared to the initial position of June, of Monday, which is around here, yeah. So we're currently again around 3% down from that point. So it's still a red week. It's very likely that it will end red because tomorrow I can only see a chill day, maybe a range. There's a potential for volatility, but I don't really see it. I don't really see it. In fact, most of my other charts show the 20 as possibly a very cool day, a very chill day. So yeah, I'm not seeing very strong volatility tomorrow, but at the same time, it could be just a chill day, a range. And if that happens in this level, we basically got a red week. But yeah, Tesla is doing much better. Many other stocks are down more than 5% in this week alone. So it is very surprising. And to be quite honest, it was very, it's kind of expected at the same time for Tesla, because just looking at it right now, I completely forgot there was this green box covering from the 16 to the 18. And remember, this always means one of these days will be very volatile. So we got a very volatile 17 and another very volatile 18. Okay, so I assume this 18 yesterday was the day we got this pump that I was expecting and I predicted. So yeah, guys, like I said, nothing more. You'll see me again on Monday, which could open on a green note, a positive note. We could see an impulse on Monday for the next week, because that's about it. So let's go to the index, to the SP 500 index. So look at this. We got another red week, just like I anticipated. In fact, it's worse for the SP, for the index as a whole. Tesla did much better compared to the previous, to the starting position of this week. We got 0.50% loss. And if we measure to yesterday, was basically a day in range, slightly down. So we can see from the starting position to the final one, we got basically 0.13%, something like that. So yeah, I told you to expect some volatility one of these days. Maybe tomorrow could be a volatile day, I don't know, because at the same time it's on yellow. That kind of means it's going to be in range. Technically, Tesla was a very volatile 18, so maybe it was the case for the SP 500 as well, just with different energies, meaning that Tesla outperformed and the index, the whole economy, is not doing that good compared to Tesla. Okay, you can see, unlike Tesla, which was a full-on green day, with the index we got a red day almost in range. So obviously not the same performance. For the next week, I believe Monday could be a very volatile day. I don't know what will happen. I'm leaning towards a correction, because whenever you see a yellow box, that means volatility, but it's going to be the undecided kind of volatility. Okay, it's not going to be something really defined, such as the corrections on the red boxes or the impulses on the green box. So be very careful whatever happens on that day. It will possibly be critical for geopolitical stuff. You know what's happening in those countries that are doing some trouble. So this is not a geopolitical channel, so I'm not going to talk about that, but it's very interesting that I managed to predict indirectly many of these key events ever since that started. So we'll see what happens next week, but at the very least I have a clear signal that the first 2 days are going to be very volatile, so brace for that. Having said that, guys, again, like, share and subscribe, support the channel. Follow me on all of my social medias. If you have any questions whatsoever, you can always write down in the comments or write directly to my email. It's always in the description box. So I thank for all of your support. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.